Hi, it's Mrs. Soden, and I'm going to read you Life in the Forest by Teresa Volpe. Look at that eye on the front of the cover. Life in the forest. Look at that giant snake. Look at the cool colors and stripes on him. Life in the forest. Let's see what life is like in the forest. We're going to share a science book. We're going to talk about who is this book about. And it's about this woman right here who's a biologist. A biologist is someone who studies science. And where does she work? She works right here in Namdapha National Park in India. There's India right there on the map. See that red? It looks very foresty, doesn't it? Aparajita Datta is a wildlife biologist. A biologist studies living things. And look at that cool equipment she has. Some binoculars and a camera. Namdapha is a tiger reserve and a national park. And look at, here's a cool map in India. See that, the green part? And look, there's the national park and there's the animals in the park. And here's a little key to tell you the dotted parts are a hiking trail. The solid blue parts are a river. And this gray one is the road. And these green lines and dots are the tiger preserve all around the edge. Join Dr. Datta and her guide on a hike through the rainforest. Look, a large tiger is near the water. The tiger moves, the water moves too. The tiger is a living thing, but the water is not a living thing. A tiger needs food and water. A tiger grows and has baby tigers. Smell. Ooh, look at that. What an interesting flower. The cyprea plant smells bad. Dr. Datta studies plants in Namdapha. Usually plants smell good, but I guess this one stinks real bad. Plants do not move, but they do grow. Plants are alive. Most plants need soil. Soil, the dirt right here, is not living. Listen. Ooh, look at that interesting bird. Dr. Datta hears the sound of a great hornbill. These birds eat fruit from the trees. Dr. Datta studies great hornbills. Look at that. Flying. Soaring through the air. Birds soar in the air. Birds are living things. The air moves, but it is not a living thing. Birds also need food and water. Birds move, grow, and have baby birds. The Lisu people live in Namdapha. Dr. Datta works with many Lisu people. Look at here, Lisu people around a fire. And look at, here's Dr. Datta and her guide who shows her way through the forest. Here's some more Lisu people. And this is a Lisu man talking to Dr. Datta in the jungle or the rainforest. Ooh, they're walking through a river. And then they have a bonfire at night. Dr. Datta and her student, she's teaching people about being a biologist. And look at this, she's in a Lisu home. Look at that home, very different from the homes we have here. The Lisu teach Dr. Datta what they know about the forest. Dr. Datta teaches the Lisu what she knows about living things. A hoolock gibbon. Look at that. It looks a lot like a monkey, doesn't it? An ape moves in a tree. The Lisu helped Dr. Data discover 2 new kinds of animals in Namdapha. One of them is the hoolock gibbon, the only ape in India. Maybe she will help discover another new animal. Look at these, a yellow-throated martin, a yellow caterpillar, a Paris peacock butterfly, a red-tailed minla, a jewel beetle, look at that, oh cool, a Himalayan black bear, a marble cat, oh look at those cool patterns on its fur, and a stinkhorn fungus. Ooh, just the name sounds smelly. Whatever she does, she will be looking at and listening to the life all around her. I hope while you were reading with me, you were learning to monitor. That means looking at a picture and seeing what is happening. Oh, what does that look like? Look at the clues. Sometimes you need more information. Check or monitor your understanding when you read. Oh, look, here's the small picture, but look. Sometimes you have to look for more clues for a bigger picture. Did you say elephant? If you did, you were right. Good job, everybody.